guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to talk about this hair mask that I came across, and it is by Grace and Stella, and it is called Rescue My Hair Mask with Argan Oil, and it says no more bad hair days. So this stuff, let me get it out and show you because I can't. It comes in this ginormous tub, and it says that it has 300 grams in it. It is huge. It comes with so much product, and it says just to distribute a teaspoon of the mask evenly through clean, damp hair. Use more for longer hair, which obviously I needed to use more. Use a wide comb to distribute the formula. Leave in 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse with warm water. So that's exactly what I did. I have only tried this twice, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. It is so good. I have oily skin, so I try not to shower my hair too much. I usually do 4 to 5 times a week. That's kind of a lot, maybe even sometimes even just 4 times a week, because I know it's bad and you're not supposed to wash it that often, but my hair is very oily. And even if I use the dry shampoo, I might be able to do the dry shampoo once, maybe twice, but I can't go longer than that. That's for sure. So I used this last night, and my hair has been so dead because I went and got my roots touched up. Well, for some reason, I always do either, I do my blonde and then I do a dark blonde to look like the brown that I have in my hair, but it's not brown. Well, this time, I don't know what happened, but I went in and she said, I'm going to go ahead and do it, whatever. She's done it for years, and she accidentally put some brown in it, and it darkened my hair so much. Obviously, I'm not a natural blonde, but I've been blonde for so long that even if you put a little ounce of brown in my hair, I flip out. It's just like super, super dark. That's why you can kind of see it down here. It's still in there a little bit. But the main reason why I couldn't have my hair dark was because of my extensions wouldn't match it. My extensions are very blonde, and it wouldn't match my actual colored hair. So I was like, nope, there's no way. My birthday is this weekend. Like, it has to be blonde all the way. So I went in, and this other girl fixed it up for me, and she was super sweet. So she did fix that for me. And I'm blonder than I was whenever my first hairstylist did it, but it's still not as blonde as it was. So, of course, I got my hair done, and a week later, I went and had them fix it again and bleach it again because it wasn't blonde, and I know that's bad on my part, and I know that's being bad to my hair, but I had to have it perfect for whenever I went out this weekend. That sounds really bad. Anyways, I already told you the long story. My hair is brittle. My hair is broken. It looks awful. I can't even get close on camera because you'll be like, what did you do to your hair? But it's really, really, really brittle. And so now I'm just going to completely condition it, and I'm just going to take care of it, and it'll be fine. But whenever I use this on my hair, I freaked out because usually when I get out of the shower and comb my hair, I have to be very gentle and all this stuff. This one, I did not have to do that at all whatsoever. And let me show you what it looks like in here. It's really like a nice, thick, it's like a thick consistency, and it's like a light blush pink color. But the smell, I don't even know how to, it kind of smells like a men's body wash. That kind of sounds weird to say, but I don't know. It's kind of masculine. I really love the smell though. I love it. I'm glad it has a little scent to it, and it doesn't bother me at all. But what it did to my hair, I feel like I'm just rambling. what it did to my hair, I mean, it made it shiny. I didn't put any kind of shiny product on today. Like I might have thrown a little bit of hairspray on, but that's about it. And it literally, like, I did not have to put, and I didn't want to put any other product after I used this. After I rinsed it out, I got out of the shower and I just kind of towel dried my hair like that. I let it air dry throughout the night. I didn't put like any kind of other product on it at all. I wanted to see what it would do with just it being the last thing in my hair. And usually I have to put a detangler and a leave-in conditioner so it will be nice and detangled whenever I comb out my hair whenever it's wet. And this time I did not. I didn't have to do that at all. It was really nice. I just easily combed through my hair while it was wet, and it didn't feel like what it usually feels like. And it kind of feels like that like nasty, totally broken hair that you go like this and it kind of just feels like it's like a stretchy and it just kind of falls out of your hair. It did not feel like that at all. This is such a low key product. Like even the brand, you don't hear much about it on YouTube and it's so great. They have all kinds of different stuff on their website, not just hair products, but they have a lot of skincare and a lot of body care all on their website. And they have some really neat stuff. They also have this gel bead eye mask that I wanted to include in this video because it's the bomb. It looks like this whenever you get it. And whenever you get this out, it'll look, well, let me adjust it because I used it last night. And this is what it looks like. It just has this really nice jelly on it like that. And the other side is just like a really, really, really soft material. And that's what that looks like. And this is the bomb. And I know I'm going to like it even more whenever I have massive headaches or when I have a fever, just stuff like that. I just know it's going to work because you can use it hot or cold. So yesterday, we finally got back from our very long trip. We went and celebrated my birthday out of town and we were gone for about 4 days. And I was just exhausted. I literally, whenever I go out of town, I hardly spend time in that hotel room. I am always go, 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 like always, because I can hardly get away. So whenever I do, I make it worth it. So of course, I was absolutely exhausted to the T. And I kind of had a little baby headache. I didn't have a really bad migraine, just like a little baby headache. And I felt like I hadn't really eaten. So, I just felt like crap and I was tired. So what I did was whenever I got home, I saw that these were delivered. So I opened this up and I go, I want to test it already. So what I did was I put this in the freezer. It says to put it in there for about 2 hours. I think I might have put it in there for like 45 to maybe an hour. And then I got it out. And what I thought, I was like, you know what? I don't even think I'm going to be able to feel the coldness on this soft side. So I'm going to lay it like this. And I was like, no, that's probably not a good idea. So I laid it on my face the right way. And I laid down on the couch and fell asleep. So then I woke up I think I only fell asleep for like 30 minutes, took a little baby cat nap. And then, my little baby headache was gone. I didn't feel like that at all. I was hungry, but that's about it. And I think it really helped. And then last night, I used it whenever I went to bed and I woke up and it was off my face. So obviously throughout the night, I didn't like the feeling of having something covering my eyes. And since it's a little heavy, like it just feels, you do have this adjustable little Velcro in the back, so you can tighten it as tight as you want, or you can put it as loose as you want. And I had it a little tighter so it wouldn't just like slide down my face throughout the night. But obviously I didn't like that throughout the night because I woke up and it was off my face. So this morning I was like, I'm going to use it again. So I used it this morning. I threw it in the freezer because I did have like some puffy eyes. I had to get up early this morning. I didn't sleep very well last night. So I did throw this in the freezer, and I didn't have it in there very long. It was probably 15, 20, maybe 30 minutes before I took it out. And I just wanted to kind of relax with it on my face to kind of depuff all around here. I get really puffy and I don't know, it feels like my eyes are a completely different shape whenever I wake up in the morning. And since I heard that this was really good of depuffinizing, I just made up that word, and stuff like that around your eyes, I was like, I'm definitely going to check that out and test it out for myself before I actually say anything about it. So yeah, I tried it and it worked beautifully. I had this really nice skin and everything around here. I kind of didn't put it too much up here by my eyebrow. I just put it more down here so it would get a lot of the top cheek and stuff like that. And it worked. It works. And it's really nice to have. And I think it's just an amazing price point. And for what you can use it for, like you really don't think you need this stuff until you need it. So go ahead and get it now. So whenever you do have that headache or you do wake up and you didn't get enough sleep and you have like these big old puffy cheeks and stuff like that whenever you wake up. But yeah, guys, this thing is amazing. On the box itself, it says it helps with sinus pain, headaches, eye strain, and sleeping. And after I used it yesterday when I had that minor headache and then took a nap, I felt really good. And it was really fresh having this really cold on your eyes. I just really enjoyed it. And yeah, this is definitely a hit. I absolutely love their mask. So this is definitely going to go into my everyday night routine. Maybe not every day this, but 2 times a week this. But this one's definitely going to go every day. I feel like this morning after I wanted to use it to depuff my eyes, it was just like I wanted to have a reason to just keep using it. So I haven't used it for heat yet, but you can stick this in the microwave and it like heats up these little balls. So I mean, just same thing that it does whenever I stick it in the freezer. I'm going to link everything down below. I did get mine off of Amazon, but they do have a website as well. So I'll link both down below so you can kind of shop around on their website and see what you like, what you're into, stuff like that. But this is definitely a hit as well. And I cannot wait to reuse it again. And I cannot wait to see what it does to my hair. I mean, if it did that just for a few times of using it, and it looks really good, and it doesn't, you can't even tell that it's so mistreated and so burnt off pretty much. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm very happy that I got to share these two with you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.